Hey YouTube, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And in this video, I'll be guiding you through the installation process of the TechSpec USA Gripster Tank Grips on the all-new 2024 and up Suzuki GSX-8R. Now, before we dive into this very straightforward and easy install, I do just want to note, this kit and the installation process shown will be identical to what we've already shown and posted in the Suzuki GSX-8S tank grip install video. So this kit will still include the 4 tank grips on the sides and the 1 center tank protector as shown in that video. I should also note that in this particular video, we will only be showing the installation method of the side tank protectors, as we will not be installing the center one on this particular bike. But without further ado, this is a very straightforward installation process. We will be installing the snakeskin variant of their tank grips, which are their thickest material. And we can go ahead and jump right in. Now, to perform this installation process, we do highly recommend, as stated in the installation instructions on the pamphlet, to use some isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface that you are applying the tank grips to. You should also have a heat gun readily available to use to heat up your tank surface if you're in a really cold area, and to also heat up the adhesive located on the back of the tank grips. With that said, I will go ahead and clean the surface now, prepare our work area. With our surface cleaned and prepared, we can go ahead and begin using our heat gun. You just kind of want to go over the area you're going to be working on in passes, ensuring that you're heating up the entire surface area of where this kit will be applied to. And now we will go ahead and actually heat up the tank grips. Once you have brought them to temp, you can peel off the backing. Be careful that you are not touching the adhesive side, as to not contaminate it. And you can see the line we're going to follow is this bottom edge on the tank for the larger tank protector. We will apply it, and from one end to the other, gently begin pressing down on the entire tank grip to prevent any pockets of air from being trapped underneath. And then we will take a larger tool that you have. I like to use a socket. It's readily available. And we're just going to roll over this surface, ensuring that we're getting all of the edges pressed firmly onto the surface of the gas tank. You will really want to make sure and highlight that you get all the edges and the corners, as those are the most prone areas to lifting if you do not apply this correctly or bring your surfaces or the adhesive up to temperature. Now, with that complete, we will go ahead and do another pass over on the smaller lower portion of the tank. And again, we're going to heat up the adhesive on the back. And just as we did on the upper portion, we're going to superimpose this over the surface, line it up. I think that this front edge is a great place to use as a reference point. Once you have one side laid down, you can follow all the way through to the other end of the material, and then use your tool to press down on the surfaces and finalize this installation. Now we will go ahead and hop on over to the other side, repeat this process, and this installation will be complete. And just like that, this installation is now complete. As you can see, not only did TechSpec USA did a great job designing this kit and following the contours and the lines that Suzuki has implemented on this bike, but they've also created a fully functional product that really serves its purpose well It reduces rider fatigue while also improving the grip you have and the confidence you have in your riding during heavy acceleration, heavy braking, or deep cornering. So if you want to check these grips out, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this grip kit can be found in the description below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and you found it helpful. And you will be able to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we've got going on by turning that notification bell on. If you want to see this video and the installation process, which we showed on the GSX-8S, you can also view that video by clicking the link in the description below. And lastly, don't forget to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark from the TST Garage, and we will catch you next time.